Hello everybody, this is Itay Verchik. On this guide I'm going to show you how to translate your WordPress website for free and even translate the Elementor. Okay, so as you can see, you have to download the plugin in order to translate your website for free. Let's say for an example, I want to translate this English website to Hebrew language. So I have to add a new plugin. I go here down to plugins on the dashboard, write Polylang. Now I have two plugins to download. First is this is the main plugin to translate, and then this one also to connect for Elementor translations. So I can translate templates and also the theme builder. After I've downloaded both, I activate both of them, and down here I can see that both of them have to be activated. Now down here on this menu I see the languages tab. Right here I have to choose the languages. So I go here on the languages and I add a new language. Instead of English I will also have Hebrew. So look for it, it's age, this is it. And of course, as you can see, I can choose the text direction, which is right to left. Now I added this new language and I see what is the preferred language, which is the default language. If I click here, I can select Hebrew as a default language. If I click on here, I can set English as the default language of the website. As I can see, and you also, that we have 47 pages to translate, which are posts. Posts refer to pages, posts, and products as well. These are the content of the website. So what we have to do here is just go to pages, posts, and products as well, and we can see on this plus button that we can translate each of the pages, which duplicates the design of the page, and you just have to change the language, just the text. You will also get this right to left if you wish, if you choose on the add new language, and you don't have to put any code, it will do it for you. Now, if I want to translate the templates, I do this also. Go here on the templates down table view, you can see what we have to translate, which is just the footer. Click on the plus button as well, and you can translate this footer template as well, and every other template if you have, of course. Just click on the plus button and you can add a new language. It will duplicate the design and you just have to change the text. Now, we have to add menu, of course. If we don't do that for this new language, we won't have any menu. When we click on the change language, we will have nothing. So we have to duplicate this English language to Hebrew after we translate all those pages. If not, we won't be able to add these new pages to the new menu. Now, we have this language switcher. Let's see how we add it. I'm going here, click on this languages, add to menu, and I will have it down here. And as you can see, you can choose the display of the language switcher. You can display flags, language names, drop down as well, force link to front page, hides the current language, which I want that also, and hides language with no translation. I don't want to add the menu pages with no translations, so the user won't come to a non-existent page. Now I go and see how it looks like. If I have this page translated, I can see this on the menu. And because we didn't translate this page, it won't let me to change the language to Hebrew. So just to see this functionality works, I will just put this off, hides current language, and this is okay, but hides languages with no translation, I will take it off, and we can see this here again. So I'm going here, after I clicked on the plus button for the home page, right here, I'm going and clicking on this plus. After I click that, I will see this pencil to edit the translations. This is the home page, which I write on Hebrew, and after I published this page, we will have it live. And we can see it on preview, how it looks like with the URL. The new URL is under /he, this folder, and you have this home page. As you can see, it's just duplicated the design. We didn't change any text, but it did it right to left, not left to right, as it's supposed to be on Hebrew, and it also changed the language of the theme, but these names of the products and the text, it didn't change automatically, so we have to change it manually. This is how we do it for free, no charge translations, all of the website with all the languages you want to translate. As you saw, it's very easy to translate to WordPress and the Elementor. If you have any more questions, you can write down on the comments below when I will comment, and on the first comment I put in the link to my full guide on my website. And if you like this video, you can like, subscribe, comment, and share, and good luck.